Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday means Friday freebie. Yes, free printable for you guys to download for free. As absolutely my treat is a free printable for any sort of paper craft project, for your junk journal, your card making, or any sort of scrapbooking, any projects that you guys want to make. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today, super quick video. I promise you, I'm going to be super quick. But before, I just want to say thank you for the wonderful feedback on the video that I have shared on Monday, the beginning of the week, where I shared with you guys 10 places where you can find free resources like free printables. The feedback on that video have been really good. So I'm gonna make a little series on like videos like that. There'll be chatty videos that I show you, not teachers, not the right word, but I share a few tips and things that I have used and I am using on my daily or everyday lives as well. So yeah, you guys found that very useful. So yes, I just want to say thank you. Right, today the freebie, it is a Halloween freebie. So before I show you the freebie, let me show you where the freebie is being designed from. So I've got a mini kit on my website and I'll show you all the Halloween kit at the end of the video in just a mo. I've got 4 Halloween kits. So there's I think I want to say they're all minis. Yeah, they're all minis. They're £1.50 each, so you get 4. Each kit has got 4 pages, so you can buy individual kit or you can buy it as a bundle and you say £1. So I thought to put it all together. So this is what is probably my favorite one. It's called Halloween Bubbles. Let you guess why. Because they are Halloween bubbles that they're already done for you. You just need to cut them and then you can use them. I don't know, if you have a Halloween tree, you can hang them on your tree. You can use as a gift tags. You can create little treat boxes and put this on the front, you know, like to cover it. You can do so many different things. You can put it like an initial if you do like a little gift for your kids or grandkids. Possibility endless. So there's 4 pages. So this is one. That's the scary one. Number 2 with Charlie, my black cat. There's a witch and a scarecrow. And then there is 1 page with the bubbles with the skulls and the bats. And they all got similar tones. So they all got it's kind of like purple, yellow, and then the pink ribbon bow on the top. And then the last is so cute. It's the bus with a ghost and the pumpkins, a car with a ghost and the pumpkins, and a graveyard with a skull in there. So again, they all match. I want to say mix, or mix and match, so you can use them together. Also, what you can do, as you can see, they fit in an A4 paper. So depends on your printer setting, you can print this into 2 halves. So this page printed in a half, so you get the same bubbles but half of the size, so you get different sizes bubbles. So the freebie is this one here. Okay, so it's a set of 3 bubbles. They got with the super cute, let me show you, super cute. They kind of like remind me of Tim Burton's The Night Before Christmas. I love that. That's one of Jamie's favorite movie. The one with the Pirate of the Caribbean sort of like style, when you get the pumpkins and the ghost. And then this is a bit more like steampunking, when you got a hair balloon in a shape of a pumpkin. I think that's quite unusual, with a skull. And I don't know if you can see, there is a little witch in there. So yeah, it's just a Halloween freebie for you guys to play with. So, but let me show you the rest of the kits on my website. Okay guys, so this is the home page on my website. So on here you see all my 3 autumn kit. 2 of those are minis and 1 is a large kit. And also here you got the 4 Halloween treats. So you got 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then there is a Halloween bundle as well. To make things a bit easier, what I've done, I divided the papers in categories. You got your bestsellers. So if you click on it, you see all my bestsellers, digital papers, the vintage cookbook, the large paper packs. So those packs are huge. So I put it all together with all the big digital kits. The VIP lounge, so you got the 3 months, 6 months, or the full year subscription, all the minis, and then the bundles when I grouped them all into categories. Also, what I wanted to show you, in case you are not aware of it, so for example, if you click, and this is on all digital papers, so if you click on here, you see Halloween treat bags and boxes. So of course that is the main pictures, but also here there is a video that shows you all the papers, so you can have an idea of what you're getting. And in each of the list here there is a video, so on all papers. I'll show you another one just to give you, just make sure it's super clear. So for example, on autumn shabby, if you click, so that's the first square is of course the image here. The second square is the video. So again, you see the 4 papers. Okay, so at least you can see what you're buying. Okay guys, before we go, I want to say a big shout out to lovely Anne Lane. Anne Lane is a crafty friend that she lives here in the UK and hasn't got a YouTube channel, but we are pushing it and pushing a reminder every day that she needs to have one, because Anne is so creative. And Anne watch my videos religiously because on every video I see her comment. So thank you, Anne. Your love and support honestly means the world to me. And Anne said that she loves the freebies and the videos on a Friday. There you go. So how do you get a freebie? As usual, guys, there is a newsletter, and I'll put what it looks like here on the left hand side. The newsletter goes out every Friday. So what you need to do, just sign up, 1 email a week. I'm not here to spam anybody, because spamming is not kind, and also I don't really have time to type all these emails, to be fair. So 1 email a week, you get catching up on my videos. There are some the kit of the week, there are some discount codes sometimes, there are some treats, and also in every Friday email there is the freebie. So because this one already gone out, you missed out on this. You can get this freebie, the 3 bubbles, on my Facebook group. Again, I'll show you in just a second how and where. This is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Before we go, the quote of today, I'm using the usual 365 days of calm. So today is number 8. Be determined to make today lovely. Make yourself a little timetable of calm and relaxing things to do throughout the day. Then put your plan into action and make today wonderful. Yes, really, really good quote. So guys, do that. Really, really, really good. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on Monday. I've got a very special video coming up on Monday, so have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and thank you guys. Okay guys, I hope you liked this freebie. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube and support me to create more free printables. Guys, do you want some more ideas and inspirations? If the answer is yes, I will put a couple of links here on the screen where we made some more embellishments for junk journals. So feel free to go and check them out. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Bye.